We are police officer.
Can you give me proof that you are police? So what did I do that you come to my house? No, what did I do? Why did you arrest me for what? Can you give me reason for what I did?
Move on, sir. Go up.
What did I do?
Stay there.
Morning everyone, this is a court watch news reporting from Putrajaya. We are reporting from the Malaysian court on a case involving a police arrest without a warrant and a violation of personal liberty. The case involved a foreign national who was arrested without a warrant during the night police raid in Port Dickson. According to the Criminal Procedure Code 8593, a suspect arrested without a warrant must be brought for arraignment within 24 hours. However, in this case, the suspect was detained for 12 days. The arrest raised a serious legal question about the use of police powers under the Act Criminal Procedure Code 8593. After the release, the victim challenged the legality of the arrest and detention. We will now move to the court proceeding where the magistrate examines the action of the police and the legality of the detention.
Miss, I have been detained for so many days and haven't been brought to the court yet. What should I do?
For how many days?
12 days.
A person is not supposed to be detained for up to 12 days. Under the law, the detention is only be made within 24 hours. Therefore, the detention beyond that period is unlawful. So, you have the right to claim in this case.
Okay, stand by, kamera ready, sound ready, 3, 2, 1, action.
Inspector, when was the accused arrested?
On 10 October 2020, Your Honor.
Why was he only produced before the court after 12 days?
Your Honor, the police officer failed to inform the grounds of arrest, which violates Article 5(3) of the Federal Constitution and makes the arrest unlawful. And Your Honor, the police officer detained my client for 12 days, which clearly breaches Section 28 of the Criminal Procedure Code. The arrest was without warrant and there was no justification for delay.
Your Honor, the police here acted under immigration powers, Your Honor. And so, the court must ensure that the police power are not abused.
Your Honor, I agree with the prosecution's statement, but the police officer there did not inform the grounds of arrest, and the duty of act cannot override the criminal procedure.
After hearing both sides and considering the facts of this case, I now deliver my decision. This case concerns the protection of personal liberty and the proper use of police powers under the Criminal Procedure Code, particularly Section 23 and Section 28, together with Article 5 of the Federal Constitution. Firstly, on the issue of arrest, under Section 23 of the Criminal Procedure Code, a police officer may arrest without a warrant only if there is reasonable suspicion that a seizable offence has been committed. Such suspicion must be based on clear and objective grounds and not on assumptions. In this case, the accused was arrested without being told the reason of his arrest. This clearly violates Article 5 Clause 3 of the Federal Constitution, which requires that a person must be informed of the grounds of arrest as soon as possible. Failure to do so makes the arrest unlawful. Secondly, on the issue of detention, Section 28 of the Criminal Procedure Code requires a person arrested without warrant to be brought before a magistrate within 24 hours. Here, the accused was detained for 12 days before being produced in court. No valid justification was given for this delay. Although the prosecution argued that immigration powers were used, the evidence shows that the accused had a valid passport and was lawfully in Malaysia at the time. Police officers cannot be used to avoid the safeguards provided under the Criminal Procedure Code. Based on the evidence, this court finds that there was no reasonable basis for the arrest under Section 23 of the Criminal Procedure Code. The accused was not informed of the grounds of arrest, breaching Article 5, Clause 3. The accused was not produced before a magistrate within 24 hours, contrary to Section 28 of the Criminal Procedure Code. These actions amount to an abuse of police powers. The court emphasizes that police officers must strictly follow the law. Any failure to comply with the Criminal Procedure Code will result in unlawful arrest and detention. Accordingly, this court finds that the arrest and detention were unlawful.
Again with us, Court Watchers reporting from Putrajaya. Following the court judgment, it's known that the key issue was the failure of the police to comply with the mandatory procedure under the Criminal Procedure Code. The court ruled that the arrest and detention were unlawful as the suspect was not informed of the grounds of the arrest and was not brought before magistrate within the required time. The court dismissed the appeal by the police and awarded damages to the victim. This judgment reinforced the importance of Section 23 and Section 28 of the Criminal Procedure Code and sends a clear message that abuse of police powers will not be tolerated. This decision serves as a reminder that the law exists to protect personal liberty.